Hello, my young students. Today we are going to discuss numerical on mole concept, which is very important. As a recap, only in one sentence, I explain what is meant by mole concept, given by a famous Italian scientist Avogadro. Therefore, this mole concept is also called as Avogadro's concept. Okay, so let me repeat Avogadro law or the Avogadro rule. 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of that substance, and this condition holds good when you take respective gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Keeping this point in the mind, we start our today's session. So I welcome for today's session on numerical problems based on mole concept. Problem number 1. Calculate the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of calcium carbonate CaCO3. Okay, right. Now here one more point I want to make clear. Atomic masses are given in the examination. Okay, in the question itself it will be given. If it is not given, kindly demand atomic mass table in the examination so that you will refer the table to calculate the molecular mass. Okay, normally atomic masses will be given in the question itself. If not, let us not by heart, because many atoms are there. How to by heart all the atomic masses? Therefore, please demand, right? Calculate the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of calcium carbonate. That means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of calcium carbonate means what is the mass? That is the question. Okay. First, let us understand what is meant by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of calcium carbonate. This means 1 mole. This means what? 1 mole. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of calcium carbonate means 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate means what? This condition holds good when you take respective gram atomic mass or the gram molecular mass. This is a molecule. Therefore, if you calculate the molecular mass, that is the 1 mole. That is those mean atoms are there. Molecules are there. So let us calculate molecular mass of calcium carbonate. 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 O. Okay. So 1 calcium, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen, totally 100 gram. So 100 gram is the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So mass of this means 1 mole means it's what, a gram molecular mass or molar mass, that is nothing but 100 gram. See here. Okay, right. Example number 2. Calculate the mass of 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms means 1 mole. Then 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms means how many moles? It is 6.022, sorry, 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 2 mole. So this many carbon atoms means 2 mole. Okay. Now 1 mole equal to what is the mass? It's a gram molecular mass. Sorry, it is a gram molecular mass. Okay. What is the carbon is atom, no? So it is gram atomic mass. What is the gram atomic mass from the table? It is 12 gram. So 1 mole means 12 gram. Then 2 mole means 12 into 2, 24 gram. That means mass of 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms means 2 mole. That means 24 gram. Question number 3. Calculate the number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole of O2. Number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole of O2. Okay. What is the atomic mass of O? 16. O2 32. So 1 mole of O2 means 32 gram of O2. Okay, right? Right. So what is written here? In 1 mole of in 1 mole of O2, how many molecules of O2 are there? So 1 mole of O2 means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of O2. O2 is a molecule, not atom. Okay, so 1 mole of O2 means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules. Now he has asked the O atoms. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules means how many atoms? 1 O2 contains 2. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 O2 means it's into 2. That is 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Okay, right. Please practice, then only to come to know. Okay, but first you understand, then you practice. Okay, right. Problem number 4. Calculate the number of copper atoms in 0.635 gram of copper. In 0.635 gram of copper, how many copper atoms are there? Okay, right. First you should know the mass of copper atom. This is the mass of copper atom, 63.5 from the table. 63.5 gram of copper means what? 63.5 gram of copper means 1 mole of copper. Am I right? Then 0.635 gram of copper means how many moles of copper? It is 0.635 into 1 by 63.5. It is here. That is 0.01 mole. So 0.635 gram of copper means 0.01 mole. In 1 mole, how many copper atoms are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So in 0.01 mole, so 0.01 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. After multiplication, answer is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 copper atoms. Clear? Clear? Please check your answer. Okay. Right. Answer, I leave it to you. Please check. I am giving you the clue. Okay. Right. Excuse me. Now question number 5. Calculate the number of molecules in 11.2 liters of SO2 gas at NTP. Till now, we were discussing mole concept for solids and the liquids. Now, this example number 5 is for gas. For the gas, Avogadro said what? For solid or liquid, whatever we learned, that is the rule. But for the gas, because it is moving, so gas can be measured in terms of volume. Okay. Therefore, for the gas, he said 1 mole of any gas equal to, in terms of volume, it is equal to 22.4 liters at normal temperature pressure NTP. And this condition holds good when you take respective gram atomic mass or the gram molecular mass, whichever case is applicable. That means 1 mole of helium gas means what? 22.4 liters of helium gas. 1 mole of oxygen gas means what? 22.4 liters of oxygen gas. 1 mole of methane gas means 22.4 liters of methane gas at NTP, normal temperature pressure. That is normal what we have. Okay. Now let us come to the problem. Calculate the number of molecules in 11.2 liters of SO2. Okay. But we know that 22.4 liters of SO2 means 1 mole. Correct? Now 11.2 liters of SO2 means how many mole? So 11.2 by 22.4, it is equal to half mole of SO2. So 11.2 liters of SO2 means half mole of SO2. Now in 1 mole of SO2, how many SO2 molecules are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of SO2, then it is 0.5 mole. So it is 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is the answer, 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 SO2 molecules. Okay, right. Now I'm giving this example. You try it. Okay, very easy. Okay, only thing is you have to sit and write. Otherwise, we discuss in our later sessions. The eighth one, ninth one, very easy, very easy. Okay, then the tenth one, monatomic is there. Okay, right. Now, please go through all these as your assignment or homework. Please work out. Please work out. Remember one formula. That formula for solid liquid, separate formula for the gas. Every example becomes very easy. So keep trying, keep working on the mole concept. So in the tomorrow's class, a few more examples. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you and all.